Hey guys, today I got to use my front end loader uh, on the BX2360. This loader, the model number is LA243. So I'm just going to real quickly show you how to hook it up. I'll probably show you how to remove it later today too. Make sure you have the proper air pressure in your tires as well. Just notice this thing is almost flat, or is flat. So I'm glad I caught it, but you should always check that before you, well, really always check that. Yeah, that was low. That was flat. Slowly drive the tractor between the loader side frames until the rear portion of both side frames touches the main frames. Then shut off the engine. Connect the 4 hoses with couplers to the nipples on the control valve as indicated with color marks. Then connect the protective caps and plugs to each other. If the couplers do not connect easily, work the hydraulic control lever around to release any pressure. Start the engine and run it idle. Then slowly move the hydraulic control lever to the dump position to lower the side frames into the main frames and engage the bosses of the main frames to the guide bosses of the side frames. Then lift the front wheels slightly with the loader. Reinstall the mounting pins and secure them with the locking rods. Now raise the boom until the stand can be rotated. Stop the engine and store the stand to its original position and secure it with the spring pin. I'll have more on this at the end of the video if you want a close-up of storing the stand. Now you can start the tractor, lower the boom a little bit, and you're ready to go. Next is removing the front end loader. First, raise the boom until the stand can be rotated and stop the engine. Then remove the spring pin holding the stand to the boom, slide it towards you, and rotate it until the hole in the stand and pin on the boom are aligned. Then slide the stand inward and insert the spring pin as shown. Now start the tractor. Lower the boom a little bit, then dump the bucket approximately 20 degrees. Lower the boom some more and raise the wheels, the front wheels, slightly off the ground. Now you can remove the mounting pins from the loader main frame and hold them on the side frames. Slowly move the loader control lever to the rollback position to raise the loader side frames up and out of the receivers of the main frames as shown. Shut the engine off and slowly release all hydraulic pressure by moving the hydraulic control lever in all directions. Disconnect the 4 hoses with quick couplers at the control valve and replace the protective caps and plugs on the quick coupler ends. Now place all 4 hoses on the right side of the boom. Start the engine and slowly back the tractor away from the loader. I'm going to go ahead and point out the parts of this loader. This is the main frame that's attached to the frame of the tractor. These are the side frames. This here is the boom. So when these are the pins, basically the only attachment points other than the hydraulic hoses. So this pin, this is the receiver on the frame, and then this here on the main frame, this round bar between here, sits right down in the receiver. I'll show you in a little more detail about using the stand. This is the stand. But when you lift your boom and go to store your stand, you're going to pull that pin out, pull the stand over this way so that it comes off of this pin on the boom, this pin here. Slide it over, rotate, lift it up, engage that hole over this pin, then slide your spring pin in there and your stand is stored. So to store your stand, pull the spring pin and you're going to pull the stand out. Try to do this with the camera in my hand. I'm going to line up that hole with that pin right there so that it sticks through, and then you put your pin right through there like that. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe for more Kubota maintenance videos at DIY Guy 50, and leave some comments down below.